Was yes, tropical like outside, and the thing is that that's going to continue tomorrow and Tuesday. But the thing with this is that there is some relief in sight. We do have an AccuWeather alert for tomorrow for that heat index value between 100 and 108, a high temperature close to 94 degrees. And then Tuesday, it's still pretty hot, close to 90, still very humid. Some storms may fire up late in the day ahead of a cold front. That cold front arrives on Wednesday and we'll have some scattered showers and storms. This, though, is the relief that is headed our way. We just got to get through a very hot day on Monday, still hot on Tuesday, and then Wednesday we'll start to see some relief, at least through the second half of the day. But for now, we're dealing with a heat advisory that's in effect from noon tomorrow all the way through 8 p.m. for that heat index value between 100 and 108. So if you are listening right now, you are under that heat advisory. It is for the entire area. Here's a look at our heat index values for tomorrow in the afternoon. Notice a lot of us have that heat index near 105 through the afternoon tomorrow. So very, very hot. High temperatures today. Well, most of us got close to that 90-degree mark. O'Hare right now so far 88 degrees, 89 at Midway, 90 in Whiting. Aurora hit 90 degrees. And the thing is that we had a lake breeze that kicked in and fired up some thunderstorms. So O'Hare has dropped to 78. So that'll likely end up being the high is 88 degrees because we're now at 78 thanks to that thunderstorm that popped up. 86 degrees at Midway, 89 in Plainfield, 89 in Maryville and Northwest Indiana. But yes, right now, add on the humidity, and in the areas that did not get any thunderstorms, for example, Aurora, it is feeling like 102 right now. Joliet feeling like 104. A heat index value in Morris at 101. So you get it. It's still very, very hot unless you got a little bit of relief from some of these thunderstorms. Here's a loop of the last 6 hours to show you as they started to fire up along that lake breeze. Currently, right now, we are still seeing some thunderstorms. I'll zoom in here to show you that we do have a thunderstorm still lingering in parts of Northwest Indiana near Chesterton, and just to the south or just to the north of Valparaiso, also seeing some downpours there. Woodridge seeing a downpour right now near Burr Ridge as well. Just to the south of it, seeing some very heavy rain and some frequent lightning. And also notice just to the south of Schaumburg, seeing some pockets of heavy rain near Wayne. Bloomingdale, Wheaton seeing some very heavy rain, and also in Naperville. Here's a look at Futurecast to show you that once we get rid of these downpours that we have around right now, we will eventually just be mainly cloudy up until about 4 or 5 in the morning, where we could start to see a couple of thunderstorms move in. They should, though, fall apart by 7 a.m. But it is possible that that line of showers and thunderstorms holds together, and we could have some thunderstorms around for the Monday morning commute. Those should clear out pretty quickly, and then notice here in the afternoon we make it into the low 90s. Tuesday, again, that chance to have those thunderstorms in the morning, but likely that line falls apart, and once again we're back up to about 90 degrees. I'll look here to show you the chance to have a little bit of some rain as we head into Wednesday. That is our relief, and maybe even an isolated storm on Thursday, but for the most part I think we end up dry. And y'all, take a look at this relief. Thursday, Friday in the 70s with low humidity, and it stays feeling pretty comfortable Saturday and Sunday as well.